Back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen, and today, real quick, I want to show you this. I put 1 egg in here and 1 banana.
Oh yeah.
And I'm mashing it because over there, if you can see over there, me and Mike are gonna be eating. I'm gonna make a video and I'm gonna eat my banana pancakes. So I don't have.
Me show.
Like you guys have never seen me eating it, so I'm gonna eat a whole bunch of them. You guys see that I eat my food. Oh, and this I put some makeup on because I'm trying that new. Bought some makeup and I wanted to try it out. I think it looks good. What do you guys think?
Oh yeah, thumbs up. Thumbs up if you like her makeup, guys.
So what I did was, as you can see here, right?
Yep.
There's 1 egg.
1 egg. Check.
And 1 banana.
And 1 banana. And that's it?
No. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of cinnamon. And what I want to do is, I want to do banana pancakes, but with a little bit of a cornmeal. So I'm gonna use the cornmeal to put it together because I cannot have flour, so you guys know.
So
that.
corn banana pancakes?
Yeah, corn banana.
Or banana corn pancakes?
Corn banana pancakes.
All right.
Whatever you want to call it, Mike.
I think banana corn pancakes.
Is that 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon?
Wait, let me zoom in. Wait. 1 tablespoon.
That's 1 tablespoon?
Wait.
Really,
yep,
Michael?
1 tablespoon.
Okay, so we're gonna put. I said of 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. Yep.
Of cornmeal.
Because you already have the banana.
Yeah, look, Michael, how thick it's getting already. Oh my God, it's gonna be so. And if it comes out so good, it's gonna be my new recipe. I want to put a little bit of cinnamon in there, guys, because I like my cinnamon. And that's
what kind of oil is that?
A little bit of veggie oil that I put in there. Where's the cinnamon? I just had it on my hand. Here it is.
Mom, why don't you show that over here? Hold that and show it over here.
It's just ground cinnamon. I put a little bit of powder. I'm going to go with the ingredients with you again.
Into the line.
This is 1 egg.
All
1 banana.
All right.
2 tablespoons of cornmeal.
That's check. Double check.
Cinnamon powder.
Yes.
And that's it.
And what do you do now?
And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to make me... You think that's too runny?
Nope. That's perfect.
I'm going to have to make it kind of like little, Michael. You know what I'm saying?
Make a little, make a little. Mom, I'm an expert.
I know, just too much oil.
Video.
So I have to do this. Okay, move. Now I'm gonna lower this.
All right. Moment of truth.
I'm gonna make him little.
Hey. Those look good.
Well, let's see what happens. Because I'm gonna tell you.
Has anybody ever invented corn and banana?
There's nothing more than I ever loved than some delicious pancakes. I love pancakes, and I have tried to make them many times. I even went to like a vegan. Come on, Michael, bakery.
Oh, what's up, Mom?
Yes, I want to talk to my people.
Oh.
I went to a vegan bakery last week with my husband.
So you have those beautiful pancakes.
Because I like to have a donut, but because I'm IBS and I'm gluten free and I'm milk intolerance for milk and cheese, all that stuff. And sometimes I go out of my way and I eat a little bit of something and then I get really sick and I can't sleep with the pain. You know, because that's what happens when you eat stuff that you're not supposed to eat and you have the problems that I have. Your stomach hurts, you can't sleep. I mean, it's horrible, trust me. Flares continuously, like attacking me. So I have, I have cornmeal here. So you can see, come here, Michael. I got coconut flour. See, I got coconut flour in here. I have almond flour. I have flaxseed meal. I mean, I got it all because because I'm trying to find what can be good for me. So let's see. Wow, these are going to be like very delicate, Michael, to flip.
Wow.
But I got them flipped, Mike.
They look like normal pancakes.
They have to because it's corn.
I think you just invented a new pancake, Mom.
I think this is
banana corn pancakes.
You think somebody's going to steal my recipe, Mike?
Nope, because the recipe is down below, everybody, so go check it out.
And this is me, right? Made by Mama.
Made by Cindy's Kitchen.
That's
first
right.
Here. That's right.
Oh, that one, look, I just smashed it a little bit, but it's okay. It'll cook. It still will cook. So what
mash
you do
it
is,
up,
guys,
mash it up.
very delicately, and you can put a little bit, you see, of oil like that.
Why?
And that so they can cook, so they don't burn. You know what I'm saying? The bottom of the pan doesn't go around and burn them. But I think this is something probably I'm gonna like, and this might be a new recipe.
I think this is gonna go viral.
This is just like Michael said.
Viral time, viral time. Share this with family, friends,
it's just, I
your
get
neighbors.
Hungry. If you can notice, probably I'm getting a little bit of weight. I'm working on it.
She's bulking, guys. Look at them muscles. Look at those muscles. Come on, Mom. Show your muscle. Look at that.
my
Look.
guns.
Look at that. Whoa.
But I'm not bulking
Whoa.
or anything like that. Come on, Michael, stop playing around.
I'm not
Why
playing.
you gotta play like that so
But I'm
much?
serious.
Okay?
Can I have one of those pancakes?
No, not really, though.
No, those are your pancakes.
Yeah, I will let you taste one, you know?
Should I get you a plate?
Yeah, I'm gonna take these.
Plate it up, plate it
I'm just gonna eat them in
up.
front of everybody. So I'm gonna give you this one that I smashed like that upside down. Do you mind?
Sure.
Michael's like, yeah, we got one, Mom. Go get the syrup. Do we have any syrup?
Do we have syrup in the pantry?
Yeah, that's all I'm saying.
Let me grab it. Woo-hoo.
So I'm gonna eat 1, 2.
Oh wait, let me come over there. Coming back, coming
Get another baby
back.
plate for Michael. And we're gonna give Michael this one. But
You know-
these are made out of corn.
You can't
I
even.
might have
You
to
can't
cover
even.
something.
You can't even tell.
I might have this, well, the taste, that's where we're gonna know. And I'll let you guys know immediately if it's good or not. Where's that syrup, Papa? Let's see. So anyway, yeah. Within the video later, Michael, you can take pictures of it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah? That's what they look like now. But I want to see what they really look like. You know, like that. Let me put a little bit of powdered sugar. You guys know how I am. Right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
I like to put all the goodies on that.
Oh yeah. Go ahead.
And I know it's a lot of sugar, but you know what? Sugar is one of the only things that I can actually like not eat directly. But as I cut them, you can
All right.
see.
It's moment of truth.
You can see that they're fully cooked.
Did Cindy's Kitchen invent a
If
new
you look
recipe
at-
for 2018?
If you look at the dough
Wait, let me look.
inside,
That's not dough?
That's with the egg. Yeah, the
That's
dough-
corn and banana.
That's corn, banana, and banana.
But dough is flour.
I know the dough of the corn flour because it's corn flour, but it's flour made out of corn. So I'm allowed to eat corn. It doesn't
Yeah,
hurt me.
okay.
But it tastes like banana.
Tastes like banana.
Banana corn pep. They're delicious, Michael. Oh my God. Right. Let me put a little bit up.
New recipe.
You can fold that one and try it.
Oh, but I need a fork.
Yeah. So, oh
Thank
my God,
you.
so these are delicious.
Oh, I'm gonna try
Why don't you
that.
just grab it?
Oh, I want everybody to see.
Look at mine, how
Look,
beautiful.
everyone. Oh, let me try.
But you can, you know they're not flour. But
Tastes
you
like
take
banana.
They are banana. Banana corn pancakes.
And corn, though.
They're banana and
It's
egg.
actually good.
Banana, eggs, and corn.
I like that.
It's great for people that suffer from all the stuff that I do. Michael likes it. I like it. I want you to see the depth and look the density of it. It's very nice and heavy. You know, it tastes really, really good. And with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Have a nice day. But before you go, go to the link below. Follow our link below. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, like us on Facebook. And don't forget to press the notification button. So every time we have little videos like this, you guys will be known and you can get on that right away, just like us. And also the Patreon, follow the link below on Patreon.
Yep.
If you can donate $1, we will love that. That will help us a lot. And with that said, have a good day. Don't drink and drive. It's early in the morning. And what's today's date, Mike?
Today is the 23rd, 24th. 24th.
That's the thing that I have the microwave right here, the time.
Oh, there you go.
10 o'clock in the morning.
Exactly. Wow.
January 24th on Thursday, right?
Yes.
2018. Love you all, and we'll see you later for another wonderful episode of Cindy's Kitchen.